Welcome to Nutric Food Show 18th to 22nd Ramadan 5 days diet plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Add dairy products with every meal. Regular intake of fresh fruits and juices is necessary. Wake up for Sehri on time. Meal items for 18th day Sehri: 2 pieces roasted chicken with mixed veggie salad, egg pizza made with 3 whole eggs, half cup green raita, 2 figs. Meal items for 19th day Sehri: 2 scrambled eggs, 1 glass banana shake, 1 plate mix veg rice, 6 almonds. Meal items for 20th day Sehri: 2 spring rolls, 3 mango slices, 2 brown bread toasts with peanut butter, 1 cup milk. Meal items for 21st day Sehri: 1 medium-sized apple, 1 small bowl yogurt, 2 slices bread with chicken spread, 3 figs. Meal items for 22nd day Sehri: half cup baked beans, 2 wholemeal toast with honey topping, 1 cup milk, 3 fresh mango slices.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for 18th Iftaar: 2 dates, 1 cup lauki raita, 2 or 3 onion pakoda, 1 glass fresh strawberry juice. Meal items for 19th Iftaar: 2 dates, egg pizza made of 3 eggs, 1 cup fruit chaat. Meal items for 20th Iftaar: 2 dates, 1 glass lemon water, 1 bowl chana chaat. Meal items for 21st Iftaar: 2 dates, 1 cup lauki raita, 2 slices fried brinjal with tomato sauce. Meal items for 22nd Iftaar: 2 dates, 1 medium-sized chicken samosa, 2 veggie pakoda.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for 18th dinner: 1 bowl moong dal, 1 whole wheat roti, 2 banana, 1 cup tea. Meal items for 19th dinner: half cup wheat pasta with vegetables and meat mince, 1 cup mixed veggie salad. Meal items for 20th dinner: 1 bowl clear chicken broth, 2 garlic bread slices, 1 cup tea. Meal items for 21st dinner: 1 bowl moong or masoor dal, 1 cup brown rice, 1 cup green tea. Meal items for 22nd dinner: 3 black chickpeas kebab, 1 cup mixed veggie salad with added lemon. No exercise for 18th day. Exercise for 19th day: 20 minutes walk.
10 push-ups.
No exercise for 20th day. Exercise for 21st day: 15 minutes cardio.
5 push-ups.
No exercise for 22nd day. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.